I have a spreadsheet in Excel that has a list of names and people who've signed up for different tours that we offer. And here's the document in Word that I'd like to send to everyone on the list. I'll go to the Mailings tab and choose Start Mail Merge, and I'll choose the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard. And now I'll just follow the wizard. The first thing is to select the document type. I am creating a letter, so I'll click Start Document. And I am using the current document, so I'll choose Select Recipients. I'll browse to my Excel file, choose OK. I'll send it to everyone. I'll choose OK again. And now I'll start writing my letter. And at this point, I'll use the Insert Merge field to customize my email. I'll insert the first name, their tour type, and the number of people for their tour. Then I can preview the letters and cycle through them. And then I'll complete the merge, and I can either print them or edit them as individual letters.